As I was cleaning my room, I found this poem that says, one day you finally knew what you had to do and be gone, though the voices around you kept shouting their bad advice. Though the whole house began to tremble, and you felt the old tug at your ankles. Mend my life, each voice cried, but you didn't stop. You knew what you had to do, though the wind pried with its stiff fingers at the very foundations, though their melancholy was terrible. It was already late enough, in a wild night, and the road full of fallen branches and stones. But little by little, as you laughed their voices behind, the stars began to burn through the sheets of clouds, and there was a new voice which you slowly recognized as your own that kept you company as you strode deeper and deeper into the world, determined to do the only thing you could do, determined to save the only life you could save. It's called The Journey by Mary Oliver. I believe that each and every one of us has a gift that God has given us. We may not see it, we might not acknowledge, but we walk around with this treasure inside of us, and we don't really know what to do with it. I suppose we think that it might come from somewhat of awakening. One day we wake up and we are 100% sure of everything that we want to do. And that's what we are looking towards to. And that's definitive, and there's no doubt about it. But I also believe that the beauty of this treasure that we have within ourselves are the experiences that we have along the road. It's the good and the bad that we go through that helps us to flourish and create long branches that will protect this little tiny seed that we have. That's why we can't really look at our wounds forever. We can't really be in limerence of things that we have already been through. And it's not with the idea of just letting everything go, because nothing really goes, everything stays with us. But it is what we do with the things that stays with us that helps us to grow and be who we are designed to be. And that is why it is important to appreciate the beauty of everyday life, because every day has so much to teach us on how to conserve and how to take care of something that is so special to us. But we are never going to see that if we can't see the everyday as precious. And by acknowledging that, maybe we can see that the destination was worth to pass through everything that we've been through and grow from it.